Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Zcash and its native token ZEC and do a average price forecast for monthly average price of Zcash from September 2023 to January 2024 using data since November 2017 at a monthly average level. I'll be presenting three scenarios: the base case, the bull case, and the bear case for Zcash going forward using AI technique, standard deviation, Z-score, um, and using the historical price as an input. So let's get started with the base case that we are seeing on the screen. This is the monthly average price of Zcash, color coded on using Z-score, which where the dark red territory or the light red territory is the overvaluation phase of the token, the Zcash, and the green or the darker green range is the undervaluation phase, calculated using the Z-score. So for example, in this particular token has had a lower high in the last bull market. So in 2018's bull market, the monthly average price in January 2018 was around 564 US dollars, and that price point was 4.33 standard deviations away from the mean for the entire time series, that is from 2017 till 2023. And that's the Z-score that you're seeing on the tooltip. Similarly, the lows for before the 2021 bull run were created in December 2019. uh, that is like if you take the 4-year cycle theory, the 4 years from 2019 December would be 20 December 2023, and that is also one of the input for the AI model. When was the last low created in the last cycle? At that price, the at that point the price at a monthly average was $29, and the Z-score was negative 0.82. That is negative the 0.82 standard deviation to the downside or lower than the average price. In the last bull run, though, this token could only make a one standard deviation move as opposed to four standard deviation in 20 more than four standard deviation move in 2018. In 2021, so it so the average price was at $225, and the Z-score was one. Since then, even in the secondary high that most of the cryptos had around November, this particular token didn't make an market cycle high in November. It was another lower high, and similarly in 2022 April another lower high. So and then since April 2022, this token, like most of the cryptos, have had the precipitous fall. Even the July 2022 low was taken out quite easily in the November time frame, where most of the crypto had its like especially Bitcoin had, and the top cryptos had their all-time low. uh, Sorry, not all-time low, the market cycle low. If but that particular point was not this price was not the low for Zcash. It went ahead and created new lows in 2023, where like the top cryptos did not make a new low by market cap. So I'm talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum at this point. In June of 2023, the price was at $28 at a monthly average price, and that's where we created the first video on Zcash, and we'll do the evaluation of what our predictions were for July and August were versus the actuals now that we're in September. For in June, we had data till May, and we had forecasted the monthly average price to be $28. So the actuals was $28 20 cents, whereas we had forecasted it per the AI model had forecasted $27.57, so slightly higher than our forecast. In July, we had forecasted $26 at a monthly average, whereas the actuals were at $31. So kind of an elevated valuation than what we had considered in the forecast. And in August, our base case was at $23.17, whereas the actuals was $27.30. So kind of higher than what the AI model had forecasted. So that's why we incorporated new data today to uh, to update the AI model. But one thing to note is that even in June, the lows that were created in June 2023, which were lower than which were the all-time lows, considering that at least since 2017, that were created in December 2019, that low is taken out in June 2023, and now in August 2023, even the June 2023 low is taken out, and we have a slightly lower low. All of this has been fed to the AI model, and the following are the forecasts going forward. But before I cover these forecasts, I would like to remind you that this is not financial advice. This is use of historical data and AI techniques to forecast future price action. So for the month of September, this AI model has forecasted an monthly average price of $22.27. If you check price tracking websites such as TradingView, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, this particular crypto is right now trading somewhere around $25 range. So again, the base case is slightly more bearish than what the actuals we are seeing for September. But for October, the base case is at $21, almost $22. For November, it's $20.65, and that's the territory where it did create or form its last market cycle low in December, and the monthly average price forecasted is at $22 almost, and in January it's $23. So again, 1 month per this AI model, Zcash is likely to put an all-time low in around November time frame, considering that we are 1 month uh, early than the last time in the last market cycle, which was in December of 2019. That might also be due to the fact that this time around the halving is instead of May, it is in April. That can also be a catalyst for these AI based predictions. So the second scenario that I would like to discuss is what could be like a theoretical ceiling or the bullish case for Zcash moving forward till January 2024. And this is based off the fact that there might be some rallies along the way, and what could be like a good substantial resistance for those rallies, if there are any rallies. And that's why we create this bullish case, even though we are for this particular crypto Zcash is in bear market. It has not recovered because it is making continuously making newer lows for this market cycle, and also all-time lows if you consider its price action till since November 2017. So that's why this bullish case forecast serves more as a theoretical ceiling and not actually the price forecast, because just because of the phase of the market cycle we are in. For September, this ceiling is at $48, almost twice of the price at which it's trading right now. So $25 versus $48. So at October, in October, the ceiling is at $45.50. November it's $43.50. December it's $43.20, and January it's at $49. So this is like a theoretical possibility for in a bullish environment for Zcash. The third scenario is the bear case, and this requires another macroeconomic downturn or Zcash specific downturn or altcoin specific downturn due to lower lower affinity to riskier assets. So in that case, what could be like the uh, like a multiplier to push those lows even further? So per the AI model, let's not talk about September because we are almost at the end of per the AI model. In October, this theoretical floor, which requires again s- which requires certain market conditions such as extreme bearish macro outlook. In that environment, the theoretical floor is at $10, which is almost more than 55 to 60% from low from where we are right now. In November, the theoretical floor is at $9, which is exactly 60%, 66% down from where we are right now. In December is at $11.20, and in January it's $10. The three cases for Zcash from now till January of 2024 is former new low in November at around $20 in the base case. The bull case is stay elevated if the macro environment is bullish, and that caps out at 40 to 49 to $43 range. And the bear case is create a low by dropping almost 66% from where we are right now and find support at around $9. So let's see which of the three scenarios pan out in future. We do take an inventory of our forecast every 3 months, so stay tuned for those in future by subscribing to our channel, also giving this video a like, and also check out if you have any altcoins that you would like to see the forecasts, AI based forecast. I have created a playlist for most top 100 altcoins by market cap, and also Bitcoin and Ethereum related dedicated playlists. So I urge you to check them out, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye and have a nice day.